Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be planning in the dashboard layout using the Joann Mega sticker book. This is the sticker book that I'm using, but I just went ahead and took it out of here and put it on some disc because all the pages were beginning to fall out of here. So I just grabbed some of the supplies that I had and just made my own sticker book. So I came across these beautiful flowers, and I think this is what I'm going to be using. I thought they were gorgeous, but the first thing that I want to do is cover up this Erin's box. So I'm grabbing my shipping label and just placing it right on top. That way we get rid of that shaded area, which I don't think I would mind because it is similar to the color of the flowers, but I just don't want it to be peeking through. So we're just gonna leave it like that. And then I did want to layer this sticker. Like, how gorgeous is that yellow? I love it. So I'm gonna put this one down along with that one. I think that's gonna look so pretty. So I just want to put it right over here in the corner. So right there, and then this one is gonna lay just on top, layered of course. So I'm thinking something like that. Okay, so that looks good already. And then let's see, of course I want to use this washi that comes with this set. I think it's so pretty, so I definitely want to use that one. So I think I'm gonna start off with the washi, and this one is just going to go down the page as I usually do. I don't know, I just love the way this looks. That way I still have room to write. So right about here. Perfect. And then we can also place it right over here on Tuesday. So maybe something like this. And let me use my X-Acto knife. That way I get it right on the line, since there is a line on this side. So right about there. So we'll put that scrap back. And then I do need another one. So there we go. And this one is going to go on Friday. And then the last part of it will go down on Saturday. I just love the way this looks, just going down the page like this. I think it's so pretty. So the last day here on Saturday, perfect. And we'll get rid of this as well. Okay, so then let's put this back, unless I may have to come back to it. I actually wouldn't mind if I placed it down here as well. But let's see, actually, I'm just going to put it off to the side and see if I come back to that. And then I did want to go back here to these pages. Back here are going to be your functional stickers. And I do want to bring in some of this yellow. So I'm just going to use some of the bullet points. So just going to place maybe 2 going on the days that we don't have that washi. So maybe something like that. This one could go maybe like this. Okay, so I do like that because it's bringing in that yellow onto the right hand side. So we're just gonna do it on Thursday and Sunday. Okay, so there we go. So let's put this back. And then I did want to go on to the other functional stickers, which are these right here. I think this one matches pretty well with the color of the flowers. And I do want to use this one to indicate my bills to pay for the week. So I'm thinking maybe right about there, and let's go back to those stickers. I want to layer it with, let's see. So maybe we could do big ideas and maybe possibly even in the blue shade, just because these flowers do have a hint of blue. So let's see how that'll look. And I'm thinking maybe something layered like this maybe. Okay, so I do like that. And then let's see what else we could do down here. I'm not sure. Let's see. We could run that washi. Let's go back to the washi and maybe place it down here in the middle. I was going to do it either on the left or the right hand side of it, but I think maybe in the middle it'll look pretty too. So that looks good. Let's see. Is there anything else that we have to work with? Okay, so I was thinking about adding the washi over here, but I think that's going to be too much. So I don't think I want to do that, but maybe we could add one of these little headers. I think that could look good. So let's see. We have me time, the plan, shopping today, remember. How about we do this today? Okay, and then this one, I'm just gonna place it right here in the middle. So right about there, that way it doesn't look too plain. So I do like that. And anything else over here? Okay, so we do have these little banners as well. Okay, but I think that's going to be it. I really want the flowers to stand out, so I don't think that I want to add anything else. I think this looks really good already. So let's go ahead and take the pages and put them back onto the disc. So here it is. It's nice. It's simple. Just a little border. I think looks really nice. And I'm just loving the pops of yellow as well. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.